So as I've gotten older, the guy who cuts my hair has told me what a beautiful shade of blonde it's become. My daughter turns around and goes, "That's crap. It's gray. He's just sucking up to you for the tip." But regardless of that, the thing is that I am getting older. And as you get older, you look back on things, and there's sort of certain events, certain moments that stand out in your memory, and you look back on them. And for whatever reason, they're very distinctly in your memory. You remember them forever, and they come back. One of those for me was lunch in 2001 with Ben Wegbright, former boss of mine, at the Stanford Faculty Club. And the reason it stands out is he told me he was about to go out and start doing machine learning. Someone who was well ahead of his time, a very, very smart guy. Wish I'd listened to him then. But key point is, I didn't even know what machine learning was then. The best thing I had thinking to it was that it was AI, which most of you are more or less the same age as I am. AI at that point, when you came through school in the 80s, meant Lisp, car encoder, and doing things like that. So the actual machine learning was something that was totally different to me. So did a little bit of looking at it or working at it, and actually found out lots of interesting things about machine learning and AI. Number one, machine learning has actually been around for a very long time. The phrase machine learning was coined by Arthur Samuelson in 1952 at IBM. And there was actually all the theory, all the thing in terms behind machine learning was developed back then. So it's not a new science. It's been around for quite a while. Number two, AI and machine learning are actually very different things. Everyone tends to think of them as the same thing now, but they are different things that are now merging together. AI is figuring out how to program a computer to act like a human. Machine learning is looking at a whole bunch of data and figuring out how a human acts or whatever to that. So natural reason for them to converge. But everyone thinks they're the same thing, but they haven't been for a long time.